Hello, this is 12 Belma Robbie, and this is a ceiling fan special! Okay, this is a very, very rare, and I do mean rare, ceiling fan. This is a Family Handyman gear-driven ceiling fan. And it came out of that magazine only just via an advertisement that ran through the 80s. These fans were never sold in stores, and it runs off gears. Let me get the light so I can show you here. There you go. And you get a closer up look of it. And so I've got it open for you so that you can see what the inside looks like. Here's the switch, the pull chain switch. It's really interesting. It's just there's this little metal hook in there that's tied, that the thread is tied to, and so it pulls back. You can see it pull back there, and there you go. I just now turned the fan on, and so it's just the flywheel itself is a gear, and there's a little spindle right there that comes from the motor, and that's the motor you can see right there. And up at the top there, you can kind of look and see there. That's a little teeny fan right there, a little teeny exhaust fan. So basically, it's a fan within a fan. Kind of like the friction drives, the Emerson friction drives had a fan within a fan. So again, there's a little spindle right there, and that's attached to the motor, and it turns the flywheel. And so that's what it sounds like without blades, and that's what the inside of the fan looks like. So next I'll install the fan completely, and I will show you part 2, and this concludes part 1. Okay, this is kind of part 1.5, I guess. We're not quite done yet. It does have all 4 blades, but I thought I would just kind of give it a little whirl with only 2 blades.